Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So if you also want to disable Instagram profile picture zoom, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. So you might not want people to expand your profile picture or zoom into your profile picture. So if you want to disable it, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see 3 lines. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings and activity interface. You can see several options over here. Under who can see your content, you'll be able to see the option for account privacy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for private account. Right under it, you might be able to find the option for allow profile picture expansion. But for some, it will not be available. Unfortunately, that option is not available for me. But if you're able to see that option, all you have to do is toggle the button right next to it. After that, people will not be able to expand your profile picture. So that is how you disable Instagram profile picture zoom. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.